In this exercise, Part A, find all real zeros of the polynomial function. Part B, determine whether the multiplicity of each zero is even or odd. Part C, determine the maximum possible number of turning points of the graph of the function. And Part D, use a graphing utility to graph the function and verify your answer. The function is f of t equals negative 4t to the fourth minus 10t cubed plus 6t squared. Part A. To find all real zeros of f of t, substitute 0 for f of t and solve the resulting equation for t. Solve the equation 0 equals negative 4t to the fourth minus 10t cubed plus 6t squared. First, factor out negative 2t squared from the expression on the right side of the equation. 0 equals negative 2t squared times the quantity 2t squared plus 5t minus 3. Next, factor the expression 2t squared plus 5t minus 3. You will get 0 equals negative 2t squared times the quantity t plus 3 times the quantity 2t minus 1. Next, set each factor equal to 0 and solve for t. To solve the equation negative 2t squared equals 0 for t, first divide each side of the equation by negative 2 and then take a square root of each side of the equation. You will get t equals 0. To solve the equation t plus 3 equals 0 for t, subtract 3 from each side of the equation. You will get t equals negative 3. To solve the equation 2t minus 1 equals 0 for t, add 1 to each side of the equation and then divide each side of the equation by 2. You will get t equals 1/2. So the zeros are t equals negative 3, t equals 0, and t equals 1/2. Part B. The zeros t equals negative 3 and t equals 1/2 are of multiplicity 1, or odd multiplicity, and the 0 t equals 0 is of multiplicity 2, or even multiplicity. Part C. The function f of t is a fourth-degree polynomial, so the graph of f can have at most 4 minus 1 or 3 turning points. So the number of turning points is at most 3. Part D. Graph f of t equals negative 4t to the fourth minus 10t cubed plus 6t squared. Note that the x-intercepts are negative 3, 0, 0, 0, and 1/2, 0. And the graph of f of t has 3 turning points.